ganda. Ito, masters na to, malamang.
Siguro.
Ito na yung pinaka-washroom dito sa labas.
Second floor.
Yan.
Comments are important, to be
Yeah.
honest with you.
Yeah.
A lot of people should comment,
Right.
At the same time, is that pick what's best for you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay guys, so dito na tayo guys sa pangatlong bahay, ano. So ito na siya. Yan. Wow, ganda. Ito talaga guys, wala kang katabi, no? Detach. Oh, tsaka mapapansin nyo, malapad na agad siya. Pero yun nga lang, medyo price ito ng konti. Mamaya natin i-reveal yung price kung magkano.
Yung lawak ng living area niya, Parang nung nakita natin yung semi-detached.
Oo.
Diba? Malalawak.
Yeah, so tanggal lang tayo ng sapatos. Yun, oh. Oh, luwag, malaki siya.
Dito muna yung closet. So, wala nang gamit guys, kaya maganda mag-tour. Kasi makikita talaga natin lahat. Diba? Tapos yung linis, kung may makikita. Ano pa kailangan i-check. So, fire area.
Yung living area niya guys, malaki talaga. Sa camera kasi hindi nyo masyadong ma-appreciate, no? Pero pag nandito kayo sa mismong lugar, malaki talaga siya. Ayan.
May basement pa.
Yeah, mamaya natin puntahan yung basement syempre. Punta muna tayo sa dining area.
And kitchen.
Alright.
So, medyo old na yung ref niya, no? Pero, as long as it's working,
Okay.
it's still
Yan.
good. And the pantry area.
Oh, medyo malaki yung pantry area niya.
Parang yung kila.
Mas marami kang malalagay na food. Oo nga, parang kila Tita Nora. Nasa kanto, corner siya. Yeah.
And then,
Yung stove niya, yeah, okay pa rin. Yeah. Good pa rin
malinis
naman.
pa eh.
Then yung cabinet niya dito, okay naman. Gusto na yung ganito, puti eh.
Uy, hindi. Okay din yung brown nung sa isa.
Aha.
Yeah.
Ayan.
And then, ito corner yung
Okay din. Ganda rin. Oh, tapos may window.
Wow!
Dalawa.
May garage!
Tapos may, yun nga eh. Punta
hindi
natin
ko alam,
mamaya yung
ah.
garahe.
Hindi ko alam. Kasi it's a surprise from Kuya Daniel. So, there's a detached garage?
Yeah.
Wow!
Ganda.
Wow. Yeah, so, dito naman yung powder room.
Ganda. Okay din yung tiles niya.
So guys, no, ito ang sample ni Kuya Daniel.
Ang laki ng mirror mo dito, buong buo.
Buong buo. Kitang-kita mo talaga. Nice.
Yeah.
So, marami tayong lilibutin dito kasi this is a detached house with detached garage.
Yes. Then, syempre,
Parang mga utility.
Oo nga, no.
Utility cabinet.
walis, dyan may lagay map.
Naamoy ko to yung mga parang pintura or something. So, ito pa, baby, may big window ka dito. Makikita mo yung iyong garage. Maybe later, no, pasama tayo kay Kuya Danya. Or punta, yung shoes natin.
Oo, yung shoes natin.
Maybe later. I think nasa two
Kasya, dalawa yan, malamang. Malaki.
Tapos yan yung backyard mo. And then, maybe ang...
Yun nga lang,
Siguro dito
mauntog ka
kainan.
dito.
Maybe dito yung kainan kasi. So, hindi ka talaga mauntog.
Pero pwede naman yung i-adjust yan.
Oo. So, this is a two-car garage no, Kuya Daniel?
Yes, it is. It's a two-car garage.
So, magkano ba yan?
Yeah. So, this is 574,999. And, of course, ang mga pinapansin natin dito, wala nang condo fee dahil detached house na siya. And 1,351 square feet. Yan. So, 2 levels to. It was built on, in the year 1995. Yun. Subdivision niya nga, Mackenzie Lake. So, yung laundry niya nasa basement, which we will visit later.
Yeah. Akit muna tayo.
So, let's tour yung sa taas.
Yeah, ito nga pala yung microwave niya.
Oo, parang nakaseparate. May sa sariling table.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
up tayo.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Oh, guys,
Ayan,
fully
so
carpeted, no? Yung stairs.
Yeah. Ilang room? Tatlo.
Check.
Tatlo. So ito, masters na to, malamang.
Siguro.
Master's bedroom, malawak. Oh.
So guys, malawak to.
Yung closet nyo, laki din. Pero hindi siya walk-in closet. Ayan.
Big closet lang.
Pero malaki. Kahit yung size na family dito, family bed,
King bed.
king bed.
Oo.
Kahit yung king bed dito guys, kasyang-kasya. Tapos, meron kang washroom.
Oo.
Meron kang sariling washroom.
So since built siya ng 1995, alam niyo naman yung design. Medyo old na siya. Hindi siya yung advanced.
Yun lang, maingay yung exhaust doon.
Nawala na, no?
Tinatay ko.
Ayan yung mga nakikita natin pag old. At least makikita yan sa inspection. Tapos meron na din to sira. Yung ano. Pero okay pa rin. Diba?
Standing lang pala yung shower niya.
Oh. So powder room yung kanina. Ito naman yung ensuite ng master's bedroom. So let's visit the other room.
Second room.
So I think muna ito yung washroom.
Ito na yung pinaka-washroom dito sa labas.
Second floor.
Yan.
May ingay yung ano nila.
Exhaust.
Exhaust.
So, madali naman ang palitan yan. Or pwede mong sa may-ari yan. If ever na gusto mong kunin itong bahay.
Yeah, for 74,000. Pero at least, detached ka na, may detached garage ka pa, wala ka pang may monthly condo fee.
Yeah. Second room.
Yan.
Siguro double lang ang kasya dito.
Yeah, pati queen, baby.
Queen? Tingin mo?
Queen din, oo.
Okay.
And then, meron din.
Of course, meron ding closet. Then, window. Kung saan makikita mo ang iyong garahe.
Right.
Ayan.
So, maayos pa yung roof niya, oh. Nakikita mo yan. Oh.
Mas malaki nga itong garahe na to kumpara dun sa isa.
Oo.
So,
We'll
dalawa.
see if we can visit.
Kasya dalawa dyan.
Nice.
Nice. Ganda.
And then, the third bedroom. I
Last
think
bedroom.
Might be same cut.
Yeah. Tingin ko kasi hinati lang to sa gitna eh. Kaya pares lang siya ng cut. Same with closet din dito and window.
Same view din.
Yeah.
Ano kaya yung nandun no? Sa bubong?
Ayan.
Something.
Okay.
Wow,
So, yun
that's
siya.
nice. Oh, meron pa tayong pupuntahan. Which is
Basement.
basement.
Yeah.
Yan, alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung pictures nito.
Kasi ano to eh. Sinend sa amin ni Daniel.
Sabi niya, you'll see the value in here. Diba? Kasi ang lubang oh. Sayang, come here. We'll go downstairs na sa basement.
Sa basement. Go tayo sa basement. Sayang, let's go. Okay dong ganitong hagdan guys. Hindi siya masyadong mataas no. Kasi unlike doon sa kanina,
Reasonable.
packet agad. Ang taas ng hagdan. So nakakatakot sa mga bata. So punta na tayong basement.
Wait for me. Oh, ito na yung ano. Siyempre, since pa-basement, wala na siyang carpet. You'll see.
Basement.
Here.
Oh, may isang room. Tama nga ba? So hindi siya finished,
Something
no?
to develop talaga.
Hindi pa siya finished.
Partially finished.
So I'll show you. So what do you think of the house so far?
It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
If you're willing to do the work, you can put your personal touch. But there's work to be done there.
Yeah, as I can see.
If you look at the joints, solid.
Sorry, you can repeat that.
See, it's solid, right?
Uh-huh.
That's solid. That's real wood. But there's work. I'll show you.
Oh, it's spacious. Wow.
So the old furnace actually is good because most furnace people would say we just replace the parts. So back then it used to be copper for piping, and somehow in the 90s they invented poly B.
Oh, that's what
this
you were
one.
saying, the poly B.
That's poly B.
Okay.
That's the first. So piping, you need about 4 people to do the piping for the plumbing because
Okay.
you need to like measure and cut and everything. For the copper one, this one you just need 2 people
Okay, yeah.
to do. But this tends to leak.
Okay, yeah, that's the
Insurance company
con.
might not insure you or may insure you for a higher premium.
Okay.
So you have to replace all of that.
Mm.
That's one. Second, I'll show you upstairs.
Zion?
Yes.
He's upstairs.
Okay. Ano to?
It's spacious.
Spacious, yeah.
Like somehow a closet.
Closet? Mm.
Yeah.
I would, if you're gonna renovate, make this window bigger.
Right?
Yeah, make it bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So this is open for renovation if
Yeah.
you would like to develop it.
I call it a renovation house.
Right,
But
renovation.
you can live in it
Right?
and renovate slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the window will need to be replaced eventually.
Okay.
You see the crack on the rubber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So you can
worn
tell
out.
there's like mold, so there's moisture coming in.
Yeah. I can see it's like somehow yellow greenish. Okay. Like how soon should we replace
It
it? Like
depends on the home inspector.
Okay.
If you say it's good to go still, then it's good to go.
okay.
But if you feel a draft, then I'll replace it.
Okay.
Because not at the window, if it's moisture and mold underneath and so on
Right.
and so on.
So yeah, we really need to be careful of the molds. It needs to be like undertaken consideration.
So they replaced the carpet upstairs, I think for a good reason,
Right.
because whoever lived here used to smoke.
Oh.
Because I can smell cigarettes upstairs.
Okay, you have a very good smell. I did not notice that.
Yeah, me also.
So there's potential in this house.
Yeah, it's
Right.
spacious.
But the price they're asking, I go lower.
Lower, definitely.
You have to lower it because of the poly B in the window.
Right.
Looking at the roof there too, look at shingles, wooden shingles.
Yeah.
I would change that too. That's a wooden shingle because
Okay.
they tend to crack and leak.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of roof they have upstairs.
Yeah.
Ayan,
I
so ito
haven't
yung
seen.
backyard niya, guys, no?
Yeah. So,
Ayan. So,
these are the
dalawa.
things you
Dalawa
should
kasya dyan.
consider.
Oh. Siguro tatlo? Kasya?
Uy,
Dalawa.
Dalawa. lang.
Dalawa, yeah, two.
Trucks, yeah.
2 trucks.
Laki,
But
laki
it's
din
a
eh.
big. At least you have a backyard now.
Mm.
If you're considering having a detached house.
Yeah, so may daan kayo, may access ka rin dito sa gilid.
Yeah, you can have a garden.
Yeah.
You can clean some
Tanim ka ng
things.
kamatis.
Yeah.
Diba? Pagka summer.
Kalamansi,
Kalamansi.
sili, talong.
Oh, diba?
Yeah, yun yung mga magagandang itanim. You don't have to go to
It's a
the
nice place. It
Yeah,
has charm,
it's nice.
It has personality.
Right.
But you have to do some repairs. The front needs to be repaired.
Right.
Because some wood need to be changed.
Right.
But if you're willing to do the work and live here, you can get this price higher eventually.
Yeah, how much do you think will be the renovation cost?
It depends on the labor.
Okay.
The biggest part of renovation is actually if you want to renovate downstairs, it's equally expensive as taking out stuff out.
Okay.
Because
Mm-hmm.
that's labor cost.
Okay.
Yeah, if that costs 10 grand, or 5 grand, it might cost you 5 grand to get out.
Okay.
Put some more back in there.
Yeah.
But the first thing I'll do is change the poly beam.
Mm-hmm.
Second, the window.
Okay. Yeah.
And the toilets, and so on, and slowly build up.
Have you seen this before?
No.
Or, oh,
No, this-
you have
this is
very
common.
critical eyes.
This is very common in this property, this area.
Yeah. Like at first glance, he knows what to like do or like to be replaced.
Yeah.
And that's nice.
Could you-
Sayon, stop it.
I mean, I've seen enough houses.
Mm-hmm.
I think I lived in one of these houses before with my mother-in-law's house.
Remove it.
But if you're willing to do the work,
Right.
man, this would be so pretty, like really pretty. I would actually knock off this wall.
Okay.
So you have to ask the engineer. There's a big chance that the supporting wall ends here.
Okay.
Because you can't put electrical in between. So it's probably here. So you can knock this wall off. Imagine that, eh?
Yeah. So it's kind of an open space. Yeah.
So, for example, you're qualified for example, 600,
Mm-hmm.
but we got this for 540.
Okay.
You can actually use that money to renovate.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. And improve. Yeah.
Improve
Improve
the
the
house.
property.
Next thing you know, you have
Like
years and years later, now your profit just went up.
Yeah.
Just Mackenzie Lake is a solid community.
Yeah.
We were just across the street, 5 minutes drive, was $3.5 million house.
Yeah. It's nice. This
But-
is a nice neighborhood.
It's a nice neighborhood.
Right. Yeah. Something to consider.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be open-minded with that, especially the guys.
But,
renovation things. Yeah.
Because you invest in your life and your community more than
Right.
your house.
Yeah, I love the community.
Yeah, it's a beautiful community. I love the space.
Yeah.
For watching you,
Yeah.
because I do appreciate you guys.
Mhm.
I'm glad you're putting your life out there.
Yeah.
That's very brave. Most people are not, and you guys should be really proud of yourself for doing that. Second, too, is like you have to look at it that I think the harsh comments like you guys are not ready to buy a house, right? And I think that's pretty harsh, right?
Right?
Because making a decision is the hard part.
Yeah.
yeah,
You already
that's
made
true.
a decision to buy a house. You don't have to buy a house today. You
Yeah.
can buy a house 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, whatever months from now.
I think people don't understand that. Yeah.
As long as you made that decision, right? And you also mentioned that you just got a new job, right? So, but you made a decision already. But we're gonna buy a house. Why don't we make that part of the process? You know what I mean?
That's correct.
Let's make it part of the journey. Now you see your mindset now is like, we're gonna buy a house. I got a new job. I'm 2 months in my job. I got 1 more month, then I can qualify,
Yeah.
right? So instead of thinking in the future, you're thinking now.
Yeah.
So you're saving a long time. So you're making it part of your journey.
Yeah.
That's how I see it.
Yeah,
Thank
because
you.
some of our subscribers didn't understand that.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you because those like harsh comments don't matter because as long as we are understanding each other, understanding the process, that's what really matters.
Yeah.
Comments are important, to be
Yeah.
honest with you.
Yeah.
A lot of people should comment,
Right?
right? At the same time, is that pick what's best for you.
Yes. Yeah. Just don't mind
And
those
And you-
negative ones.
guys are sharing your life and sharing your experiences, and your audience should thank you for it. And I thank you for it.
Yeah.
Because you're making immigration easier for a lot of people.
Mhm.
Now there's expectation and boundaries and things you can do. I mentioned earlier down the hill, I said life is not about how much money you spend on things. It's about how good the quality life you have.
Right.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not about the good shiny stuff you buy, and it's about the little things you purchase for the maximum time you have with your family.
Definitely.
So I see it. So yeah, I thank you,
Yes.
honestly.
Yeah, Kuya Daniel understands us, understands the process that we're doing. We're not on the rush, but he sees that we're gonna buy later at some point in time. But yeah, so I hope, yeah, our subscribers, our viewers will understand that.
Meron pa nga, di ba, yung nakikipagpustahan pa. Sabi, hindi daw kami bibili ng bahay. Makikipagpustahan daw siya.
Yeah.
Nako,
Sabi
Kung
ko
papatulan
kay Kuya
namin yan.
Daniel, I will buy or not buy depending on our decision,
Yeah.
not because of their like comments or pustahan. So,
nako.
And every house you see has a personality.
Right.
Yeah.
If it doesn't feel like home, don't buy it.
yeah.
Imagine if you guys are in a rush, and your landlord's giving you 60 days of moving out,
Yeah.
and we only look at 10 houses,
Yeah.
and you're forced to buy a home because you're moving out.
Mm.
But now you have opportunity
Yeah.
to look at 60 houses,
Right? A lot of houses.
and you can decide along the way.
Yeah.
When the time comes and this feels like home, so I know how to deal with it now. I know
Yeah.
I can make a bid because this feels like home. I'm
Yeah.
gonna fight for it.
It has already
Yeah.
prepared us,
You
this
prepare.
process. Yeah. So because there's a lot of comments, so, oh, that's already the 8th house. Kawawa naman yung realtor
Yeah.
ninyo. So how many houses will you be looking at? So,
The more the better, because I'm learning from you.
right?
You're
We're-
learning from
yeah.
me.
Yeah.
And each house is different.
Right.
So I learn from it. Each house has different kind of quirks and good
Right.
things. Right? So now I can pass it on to my clients.
Mm-hmm.
And I can pass it on to you.
Right.
So it's not a waste of time.
Definitely.
It's a part of the journey.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yeah.
My last client who just moved in, 57 houses.
Oh.
That's a lot of houses.
Yeah.
And I saw their daughter she was pregnant, then she had a baby, now she can walk.
Right?
The daughter. Honestly, when the day she moved in,
Yeah, it was a long process, right?
it was a 2-year something.
2-year process.
Yeah.
So don't rush us.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like one-day decision. So this is a big investment. So as what we have been repeatedly saying, we are on that timeline. We have a target timeline.
Yeah.
So please bear with us.
Yeah, and it be part of the journey. Everyone out there, like you're gonna see a lot of houses,
Right.
like tons. And maybe you say, "Oh, that's the kind of house I want,"
Yeah.
right? And then call me or something. Call Daniel.
Yeah, Kuya Daniel, if one of the houses that we have shown you, yeah, you like it, and then,
Yeah.
Because you're providing now a service in the community.
right,
And I think that's blows my mind how many people are just watching it.
right?
Okay?
Yeah.
And you see the communities around, you see the personalities. You saw that those couples or family were walking up the hill.
Yeah.
Right?
Right? And
Yeah.
they're having snacks, and that's a quality of life. I
Right.
think in Kanish is.
Yeah.
Like it's about your tiny things you do, not the big things you do.
Yeah.
Okay. So yun guys, so bago namin tapos yung vlog na to, yan.
Yeah, we
Sa mga gustong or maghanap ng bahay,
Yeah.
just call Daniel.
Daniel.
Sobrang
But yeah.
sobrang bait niya talaga. Totoo lang
We
guys.
really appreciate you, Kuya Daniel, for
Yeah.
yeah, telling that or sharing that stuff in our channel, because I know you've read a lot of comments. Yeah, at least coming from a realtor,
Yeah.
he understands our process, our timeline.
Eh isipin nyo guys siya pa rin mismo yung nagsasabi sa amin, ito pwede natin puntahan.
Yeah.
No, so ganun siya ka talaga sa paghawak ng
supportive
sa pag-support.
Real estate is what I do, but
Right.
I'm more than that. I
Yeah.
think I serve a community more
Yeah.
because it's just part of my job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the same time, I'm teaching my community or showing them what I know.
Yeah.
This is learning.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I hope you guys know yung mga sinishare ni Kuya Daniel, you also learn
Yeah.
from that. And I see that some people are commenting that they appreciate the information coming from Kuya
Yeah.
Daniel.
It's not just
They're
about,
also learning.
yeah, it's not just about the house. Like we're talking about life.
Yeah.
We're talking about what we do.
Yes.
We're being part of the journey.
Yeah.
Now we're having our own kind of like relationship now.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
And now we know we know our boundaries. You
Yes.
know, we just really be part of that process. Like it comes to one because of that rapport, relationship
Right.
is there. You know,
Yeah, it's
just
not,
I think that's the best part of this. What I do is
Yeah.
knowing people,
Yeah.
knowing people.
thank you, Kuya Daniel,
Yeah, thank
for
you
being
so
part
much.
of this journey. Hindi pa to
Yeah.
tapos. So, if you guys are also interested in being part
Yeah.
of our journey, it's gonna be a long process. We will be showing you a lot houses more. So, kung interested kayo, ayan, just be with us.
Yeah.
Break the record for me. My last record was 57.
Ano?
Yeah, 57 houses. We'll see.
Make it 80 houses.
Yeah, Kuya Daniel
Let's see,
is
let's see,
qualified,
let's see.
excited for us to break that record. So he has a client who had 56 showings,
57.
57
57.
showings before he decided this is the house.
Yeah.
So like, he doesn't put a limit on the number of houses before he decides.
Yeah.
Biggest investment you'll have, you should have a lot of choice,
Right.
a lot of communities.
Like, you
More.
should not be limited
No.
by just the opinion of people. You should stop. You're wasting the time.
And actually guys, hindi kami mag-invest ng time at saka especially kay Daniel
Daniel.
na sasayangin namin yung oras niya.
Yeah,
Tapos
for the
sa bandang
vlog.
huli wala rin kaming mapapala no. So hindi kami ganun guys.
Right.
So meron kaming plan talaga.
May plan.
Yeah.
Inaayos pa lang.
Yes.
Mag-align yan later on, yung stars, and we will share with that to you yan later
Yeah.
on.
Yes.
I mean, have faith, keep moving forward. Keep
Yeah.
moving. Try them all.
Alright.
Yes, thank
much,
you,
Kuya
thank
Daniel.
you.
Thank you so much.
Till next time.
And so yun guys, tapos na ang aming viewing no. So ito pala yung labas, hindi ko napakita sa inyo. So meron pa siyang ganito. Sayon, come. Ayan, then yung kapitbahay mo, yung mga neighbors nyo, ayan. Parang ang tahimik dito. Ha? Ayan, ganda oh. Nice. Oh. Eto siya guys.
So yun guys, it's been a long day. Maraming salamat na naman sa pagsama sa ating house tour ngayon. Ayan no, single detached and with words of wisdom galing kay Kuya Daniel. So hindi ko na pahabain. I think he said it all. Yeah, we'll see you again on the next one.
Peace!